Hello friend, welcome to Phone Rating YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Infinix Note 30 VIP mobile full review specification and price. So let's start my video. Price 35,000 taka. Brand Infinix. Category smartphones. Added on 14 September 2023. Last updated 10 June January 2024. Release 2023 September. OS Android 13, XOS 13. Display 6.67 1080 x 2400 pixels. Camera 108 megapixel 2160p. RAM 12 GB RAM. Dimensity 8050. Battery 5000 mAh LiPo. Overrating. The overall rating is based on review by our experts. Design 10/9. Connectivity 10/5. Display 10/7. Features 10/8. Performance 10/7. Battery 10/9. Camera 10/4. Usability 10/7. Pro and cons. Pros: gaming looking, 5000 mAh live polymer battery, large AMOLED display, 5G network supported. Cons: limited edition. Prices: expected price for 35,000 taka. Launch announced 2023 September. Status: available release 2023 September. Network technology: GSM HSP LTE 5G 2G bands, GSM 850 900 1800 1900 SIM 1 and SIM 2, 3G bands HSGBA 850 900 1700 AWS 1900 2010 100, 4G bands LTE, 5G bands SSA per NSA speed, HSP LTE 5G, GRPS yes, Edge yes. Body dimension 162.7x 75.9x 8.2 mm 6.41x 2.99x 0.33 in. 32 in. Weight 190 g 6.70 oz. Build glass front, plastic frame, plastic back. SIM dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Display type AMOLED. Capacity touchscreen 16 million colors. Size 6.67 inches, 107.4 cm to 87.0% screen to body radio. Resolution 1080 x 2400 pixels, 20.9 radio, 395 ppi density. Features: 120 Hz, 900 nits peak. Platform: OS Android 13, XOS 13. Chipset: Mediatek Dimensity 8056 nm. CPU: octa-core 1x 3.0 GHz Cortex A78 and 3x 2.6 GHz Cortex A78 and 4x 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. GPU: Mali G57 MC9. Memory card slot: micro SD XC dedicated slot. Internal 256 GB, RAM 12 GB. Main camera: triple 8 megapixel wide PDF, 2 megapixel 2 megapixel. Feature: quad LED flash. Video: 4K at the rate 30 fps, 180p at the rate 30 60 fps. Selfie camera: single 32 megapixel wide. Features: HDR panorama. Video: 180p at the rate 30 fps. Sound: alert types, vibration, MP3 wave, ringtones. Loudspeaker: yes with stereo speakers. 3.5 mm jack yes, turned by JBL. 24-bit 192 kHz audio. Connectivity: WLAN yes, Bluetooth yes, GPS, NFC yes, FM radio no, USB Type C, infrared port no. Features: sensor, fingerprint under display, optical and specified sensors. Messaging: SMS threaded, view MMS, email push, email IM. Browser HTML5, Java no. Battery type non-removable LiPo. Capacity 5000 mAh. Charging: 68W wide PD 3.0 PPS 1.80% in 30 minutes. Advertised bypass charging: 50W wireless 1.50% in 30 minutes. Minute charging, reverse wired, reverse wireless. More: made by China, color racing edition. Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition. Price in Bangladesh November 2024. The Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Price Edition is now available in one variant: 256 GB 12 GB RAM ROM and ROM. Now the Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition price is 3,535,000 taka in Bangladesh. Note 30 VIP Racing Edition has a 5000 mAh battery with 68W fast charging. This device runs with Android 13 and is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8056 nm chipset. Model Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition. Price BDT 35,000 taka. Display 6.67 1080 x 2400 pixels. RAM 12 GB. ROM 256 GB. Release 2023 September. Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition highlight. Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition will be launched in September 2023. Firstly, the display of Note 30 VIP Racing Edition is a 6.67 inches AMOLED panel with 1080 x 2400 pixel resolution. Secondly, the display is protected with a non-glass. Note 30 VIP Edition phone has a triple camera setup on the back. This formation consists of a 108 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera. It has a 32 megapixel selfie camera inside the punch hole of the display. On the other hand, it can support up to micro SD XE and it has a dual nano SIM card slot. Among the other features, there is VLAN, Bluetooth, USB port, face unlock, etc. Your question and or opinion about the Note 30 Racing Edition. Which question will we have about this phone? Let's justify this. There we are including the major question and answers about this phone. So let's start now. When it will be released? It will launch in September 2023. What is the price of the Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition? The price of the Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition is BDT 35,000 taka. How much RAM and ROM does it contain? It has one variant 12 GB, 256 GB ROM, RAM and ROM in the market. Which type of display panel is used in it? It comes with a 6.67 AMOLED display panel, which is the chipset. It contains the MediaTek Dimensity 8056 nm chipset. Does it support a 5G network? Yes, it supports a 5G network with 2G per 3G per 4G. How the battery capacity is? The battery capacity is a 5000 mAh live polymer battery. Which country and company manufactured it? Infinix manufactured it and this phone is made in China. But reason to buy. In this paragraph, we are going to describe the important measure to buy this. Why did a person buy this smartphone? Firstly, when anyone wants to buy a device, they find out the premium things on the device according to their price. So let us find out some eligible things in Note 30 Racing Edition. Our verdict. In conclusion, we are giving our verdict on this device. If you want to buy the best 5G smartphone under 40k taka, then Infinix Note 30 VIP Racing Edition will be in the first row among the best smartphone. Dear friend, if you have an attraction to online games like Free Fire and so on, you can buy them because it has RAM and a well processor using the MediaTek Dimensity 8056 nm chipset. If you want to a big backup on charge, then you can buy this because it has a huge 5000 mAh battery. In addition, it's a 5G supportable smartphone, so you can get good network facilities on it. However, it has a triple cam setup with a 108 megapixel primary camera, so it's the image and video capability may be well. Therefore, to judge all of these reasons, you can buy this. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय.